want tagged in? You want tagged in?
There you go, bud. Breathe.
You want
breathe.
tagged
breathe.
in?
Good job, man. Come on. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Good. All right.
Starting to calm down. That's what we need.
Hi, my neighborhood is Alberta Street. Address is, we had a tweaker who was running around trying to fight with everything, and he just collapsed on the ground in between my neighbors' houses. He's a white guy, roughly about 5'7". Can't weigh any more than about 180 pounds. He's in all black.
Is he on the street?
No, he is now in between my neighbors' houses.
There's a bag up there.
Yeah, he's in the yard, so.
There we go.
There he is. He's dead. He's like, I was doing all my thieving and got tired and fell asleep.
All right. Did you find him?
We all watched
All right.
him
Do me a
arguing
favor.
with the sign and everything
back.
else.
Buddy. Oh, he's breathing.
We've been watching to make sure of that.
Still breathing, guys?
Yeah.
Tattoo on the right side, left side of his face.
No.
Oh no, it's just a scratch. That is him now.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like him, but
Oh, ID. You want me to do that?
no, I got it. I got it.
Dancing?
So then he started moving slow, and then he came up to the sign and he danced with the sign for about 7 minutes. Then he started boxing with the trees. Then I seen the trees move a little bit on this side. I said, let me back up and see what's going on. Make sure he
Hey guys, you want to? Hey, use his own Narcan right there in the bag.
That's what we said.
Come on.
He got his own.
Save the city some money.
You can save it for next time.
Oh, you guys are township. Never mind. Use your shit.
It don't matter. City township.
Like, this guy's dancing.
We're all the same over here.
I told him, I said, let the guy dance then.
Yeah, you guys just got.
Yeah, I live here.
You guys just got Whitney Houston. I want to dance with somebody stuck in my head. So thank you.
No, I've never seen him.
Probably came from the Greyhound station or something.
I started going into old medic mode. They were like, don't touch his wallet. He might not fit on it.
What?
Got an ID in there.
Yeah, he's running him right now.
Okay. I'll get some medic.
I handed him.
So whenever they get here, we'll get some. It's right there.
Just some fatty.
No big deal. Looks like a decent amount in there. Unless it's all the wrapping.
Yeah. It does look like a lot of
I
wrapping.
can both, but BMV does want his license.
Does the BMV want this fatty in his wallet?
Oh, probably not. We probably want that.
Looks like a fair amount in there.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's wrapping.
Don't use all that Narcan on him, guys. I might need it.
Yeah, no shit.
Don't worry, I got some for you.
Actually, it looks like a crushed pill. I don't know if it's.
Pills. Unless it's mixed with something.
Yeah, I don't
Looks like
know.
gas.
Huh?
Looks like gabapentin almost.
I hear if you snort gabapentin, it fucks you up.
They're starting to do that now.
Yeah, I know.
And the problem is the doctors are prescribing it like it's candy to people.
I was at a prom. I work at prom on special, and this girl, like 16, she was in a car crash and had a giant, like, probably 500 pills of gabapentin. She brought them all with her. And they were like, why would she bring these? So then I started searching, like, illegal uses of gabapentin.
It's going to become a class for some drug eventually, because it's starting to get abused.
You already got through all this?
No. Not that. You don't have a search warrant. What are you doing? Go through that.
Who's his?
I've taken it for
this yours, man?
neck pain, and it's almost like a flex real.
Yeah.
I've taken it for neck pain. It kind of hogs you down a little bit.
You guys dip for anything?
No.
Get them to school. They're the ones who sat and watched them walk down the street and start boxing with the sign. And then
They're good. We appreciate
No, I'm sure he was doing that. I don't need their personal statement.
I thought they called saying he was coming up to them once.
He's got insurance.
I'm like, yeah, I'll be out there right away.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, Careswell Anthem. Is that really his?
Yeah.
Maybe he used to be a good guy. Rockbridge. Oh, that's down there in the. That's down there in the hills.
They're down in
That's by Hocking Hills.
yeah.
Anything else, Josh?
No.
He's picking up a little bit.
Is that his social?
I don't, I'd have to go back and look again, but I don't think. Plug. But it's a plug.
Maybe one more time, Josh. I won't worry about that. He's picking up good.
I'm gonna check his bag before he wakes up pissed off.
You can try it one more time. You already got it out.
I'm not convinced that that is. Here, you just. I'm gonna check his bag before he wakes up pissed off.
You can try it one more time. You already got it out.
I'm not convinced that that is. Here, you just.
Yeah, I am probably. There it is.
Hey! Calm down. Calm down.
What are you doing?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop! No. I don't know, God. No. What are you doing? Calm down, bud. Calm down. Calm down.
Calm down.
What is I doing?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop!
What are you doing, bro?
Oh no, get off of me. No. Ah! What are you doing? Ah! Calm down, bud.
Calm down.
Calm down. You overdosed.
Calm down.
Okay, can I get up?
Help me. No.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, man. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Look at all your other bodies. That's what you have underneath is that meth on board, I guarantee it. We'll give some ketamine over, probably come down.
You got it.
And that's why he was punching pussies, you know what I mean?
I'm done.
Relax.
I'm done.
Okay,
Relax.
then relax. Then relax. If you're done, relax.
I'm done.
Okay. Take some deep breaths.
He's got that down over there somewhere. Still.
You got him.
Yeah, we'll get it. How we doing, bud?
I'm good.
Okay. What's your name?
Nicholas.
Okay, Nicholas.
Wilkins.
You overdosed, okay? We had to give you some Narcan.
Okay.
Did you take meth too?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why you're acting like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
You're out of your mind right now. We're going to calm you down.
Give me. Please.
Just take some deep breaths.
I'm
You're
not
okay.
moving.
Okay.
Give me a please.
We can't get you up yet, okay?
Why not?
Just breathe. Just breathe.
I'm not moving.
Just breathe. Okay?
Somewhere by his bag.
Just breathe. Hey, calm down. Calm. Okay, calm yourself down. I'm dead.
Now you still want back in.
Yeah, here, I got it for you.
Yeah, he's good there. So where's yours at?
Oh my god.
This is probably yours.
Ah. What is going on?
You're okay.
Please help me.
Hey, you're doing good. Keep relaxing, okay?
Man, your pants are halfway down. I'm trying to help you. Oh my god, what is going on?
The guy just
Oh.
he looked at us and he was like, I don't want to deal with this.
Good morning, how you doing?
No. Oh my god. Yeah.
Hey, it's alright. You want tagged in? You want tagged in?
There you go, bud. Breathe.
You want
breathe,
tagged
breathe.
They said they might be on the
Good job, man. Come on. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
We good.
Alright.
Starting to calm down. That's what we need.
I'm on.
Come on, bud. Don't fight.
I think he's...
Yeah, he's almost there.
Right, keep the cuffs on for right now.
Is he going to be able to stand? Are we actually lifting?
Bring the cot as close as we can to him. Let's we can put right on.
Limb by limb type thing.
Dislocate his leg.
Get you guys legs? Because he's going to kick.
Get me ready. 1, 2, 3. Wow! How you doing?
It's alright, buddy.
You're good. I'm just making sure he doesn't.
You're good, appreciate you.
You guys want to...
Yeah.
You guys want that? Okay. I got his ID, so...
You're not there.
That's not.
We're good now.
This is quarter. Let me grab a bag for all this real quick.
Yeah.
I put that dope in the blue bag you gave me. He's fine. He's just high. He's just high. You know. We thought he was dying.
Half will be right, the other half will be following.
And then he gave him Narcan. Of course, he wakes up and freaks out.
The